everyone, it's Cass, and before I start our craft, I want to let you know that our summer reading program is starting June 14th. So I hope to see you all join in on the fun this summer here at the Perris Library. Now let's jump into some fun and make our craft, which is our photography light box. Let's start with some cardboard, a long white paper, a ruler, a paintbrush, some white paint, a marker, some white tissue paper, a glue stick, some scissors, and also an x-acto knife. So please be careful and have a parent or guardian assist you with these tools, as they are really sharp and hard to handle. One item I didn't get on here is tape, so make sure you have that, as that's very important. And if you didn't get all that, don't worry, I wrote it down all for you. One thing you want to do with your cardboard box is first cut off the bottom of your cardboard box. So we're going to cut those little sides off. And remember, when we're cutting cardboard with an x-acto knife, you always want to go side to side. You never want to go towards you, as you can really hurt yourself that way. The next thing you want to do is grab your ruler, and you're going to make a frame inside your little box inside there. That way you know where to cut when you're using your x-acto knife. Once you got it all cut up from both sides, you want to tape up your box just like this. Once you're done taping up your box, you want to grab your tissue paper, and you're going to line it up with the sides that is open and cut our tissue paper so it fits. And you're going to want 3 pieces of tissue paper for each side, so make sure they're kind of even. Once you're done cutting, you're going to grab your tissue paper and you're going to glue it onto your box like this, and keep adding each layer until you're done having 3 on each side. Trim if you have to. Now we're going to use our white paint and paintbrush, and we're going to choose 3 sides to paint on our box. Just don't paint the back of the box. That's going to be covered with our paper. Now we're going to grab our long white piece of paper, and we're going to fold it to the side to see how much we need to cut off for the inside of our box. Please make sure before cutting it that it does actually fit, because after this we're going to grab our tape and we're going to tape it all the way into the back as best as we possibly can, like this. Make sure it's nice and snug in the corners. Now that you're all done, you have your photography box, and all you need is a light on the side to really make your magic work. A lot of people use the light box to show off their products, their toys, their collectibles, and all kinds of cool stuff. So I hope you guys have fun with this and you take awesome pictures with your light box. Now let's move on to our book recommendation for this video. Destroy All Monsters by Sam J. Miller is a fantasy coming-of-age story where 2 people, Ash and Solomon, are literally from 2 different worlds coming together to help one another. This book shows a strong testament of friendship and the lengths people go for the ones they love. Jumping into another fantasy book, Into the Heartless Wood by Joanne Ruth Miller, a queen witch and her 3 silent daughters harvest souls to feed the heartless tree. But when one of the daughters meets someone they saved, things get a little tricky. Their love gets put to the test, but will it work out? Check it out to find out. For more information on these books or books like this, please visit our website. There you'll find all types of resources we offer in all our Riverside County branches near you. Thank you for watching!